Hi everybody. Yes, we are all set to taking off to achieve our collective goal of sustainable and inclusive development across the MSME ecosystem in India and beyond. Nature Responsive Finance for Sustainability, or NRFS, is a tech-based solution to connect people with information and capacity to adopt sustainable MSME practices.
NRFS is a solution that addresses the actual need of the MSME ecosystem in India. It caters to the need for a vast ecosystem that comprises of 7.9 million people registered MSMEs in India.
Use of local language and provision of immediate referral support through ChatGPT Neha and toll-free helpline Neha makes NRFS more inclusive. The entire solution helps the users to understand the issue of sustainability and gain capacity through training, networking, and exposure to finance and technology solutions to adopt to sustainable or green practices. Existing as well as prospective entrepreneurs, that includes marginalized groups like women, youth from disadvantageous or remote locations, will directly get immediate access to information and capacity. Finance and technology solutions from Siemens will help the MSMEs to overcome the initial challenges in their journey towards sustainability.
With NRFS, we have taken the user experience to a whole new level. Our app boasts a seamless and intuitive interface that ensures you will enjoy every interaction.
NRFS goes beyond just a cutting-edge Android app. It enables them to thrive in the digital era while provides a great user experience to all the users around us, and for the same all the businesses around us.
Let's take a quick journey through NRFS now.
NRFS is easy to use and secure through OTP authentication, and the user gets freedom to select language as per her or his own preference. Once registered, user gets options to follow any specific industry or MSME cluster. NRFS will keep them updated on latest progress or changes in MSME sustainability on a regular basis. NRFS has a total of 5 sections, namely Green Insights, Green News, Green Guidelines, Green Finance, and Green Technology. The user lands into the social media section of NRFS named Green Insights. Users can like, comment, or share any post in this section. Exploring, discussing, and promoting sustainable MSME practices will be the theme of this section. Green News keeps the users connected with all information, correction, innovations around MSME sustainability. News or articles from reliable sources will be provided here. Green Guidelines provides 3 options. Users can access the original guideline. They can access the easy to understand materials with less text and key points. They can access short videos on various aspects of MSME sustainability. Users can explore and register for online trainings on various aspects of responsible and sustainable practices, compliance aspects, and information on available technology and financial support to adopt sustainable MSME practices. Next comes the green finance. There are industry-wise links that will guide the users to learn about specific financial solutions for the key MSME industries around them. This is where very basic information regarding the sustainability-focused finance products of Siemens Financial Services that are there for MSMEs. If any MSME is interested about exploring Siemens Financial Service solutions further, we will connect them with SFS team. Similarly, the next page, Green Technology, also focuses on available technology solutions by Siemens that can support MSMEs to become sustainable and responsible. ChatGPT Neha is there to respond to any query at any point of time.
NRFS is not just a technology. NRFS connects people with technology. NRFS connects people through technology. We are launching the minimum viable product version of NRFS across the MSME clusters in Maharashtra. So as we are focusing on the local language and understandability of the communication materials, we are utilizing English and Marathi as the language of communication in this version of NRFS.
NRFS is a common platform for all the stakeholders of the MSME ecosystem where they can come together to share, debate, discuss and learn about the critical aspects of sustainability practices. So, we need to disperse the information in such a format that suits their current information-seeking behavior. We have developed small text, illustrations, posters and definitely some short videos.
मित्रांनो, NRFSवर मोफत नोंदणी मिळवा आणि शाश्वत पद्धतीच्या कोणत्याही पैलूंवर जलद आणि अचूक माहिती मिळवा, ती सुद्धा तुमच्या स्वतःच्या भाषेत.
And yes, most importantly, you will get all the information regarding the financial products available from Siemens Financial Services.
तुम्हाला NGRBC ची काही माहिती आहे का? मी सांगते. NGRBC म्हणजे जबाबदार व्यवसाय आचरणावरील.
Call us for more details. Responsible business, it's possible.
This innovative solution, with the support and encouragement of Siemens Financial Services, will attain the sustainability goal. We have to work together very closely during the pre-launch period to make NRFS more compatible. We will also need some easy to understand videos for NRFS, and basically for those videos we will approach Siemens. Moreover, our full NRFS team will need a proper orientation about SFS and the other technological solutions from Siemens which are available for sustainability of the MSMEs. For promotion of NRFS during the MVP launch phase, we will take support from MSME groups, consortiums, Chamber of Commerce and Industries, local NGOs. Our partner NGOs will help in promoting the app across the MSME ecosystem. We will also bring the existing clients of Siemens under the coverage of the MVP version of NRFS. We will launch the beta version of NRFS on 21st July 2023. At that time, the app will not be made public, but we will work with Siemens for the final tunings of the different sections before the final launch. The final version of NRFS will be launched on 15th August 2023, our Independence Day. So, let's join together to ensure that NRFS attains the sustainability goal. Responsible business, it's possible.